Children, let us see some example based on the rate of reaction. So this is the first question. For an elementary reaction, 2A plus B is converted into 3C. The rate of appearance of C at time t is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second. Calculate at this time rate of reaction, second rate of disappearance of A. Now you know the rate of the reaction can be represented either by taking the reactant or the product. So first we can write the rate of reaction, that is change in concentration divided by time taken. So for the reactant we write with the negative sign because rate cannot be negative. So this is minus half of dA upon dt, that is stoichiometric coefficient, is equal to minus dA upon dt is equal to minus 1 by 3 dt upon dt. Now rate of reaction is equal to 1 by 3 dC upon dt. This is equal to 1 by 3 into 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 4. So it is equal to 4.33 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per liter per second. Then the rate of disappearance of A is minus dA upon dt. This is equal to 2 by 3 dC upon dt. So now it is equal to 2 by 3 into 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 4, that is equal to 8.66 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per liter per second. Yes, now we see the next example. The gaseous equation 2A is converted into 4B plus C. Is carried out in a closed vessel. The concentration of B is found to increase by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter in 10 seconds. Now you have to calculate rate of appearance of B, rate of reaction and rate of disappearance of A. Part number 1. The rate of appearance of B is equal to delta B upon delta T is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon 10, that is equal to 10 to the 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now for the second part, for the calculation of rate of reaction, when we write the rate of reaction, then we will divide each concentration of each reactant and product by the stoichiometric coefficient. So first we can write minus half delta A upon delta T is equal to plus 1 by 4 delta B upon delta T is equal to plus delta C upon delta T, and then it will be positive because it is a product. Now rate of reaction is equal to 1 by 4 into delta B upon delta T, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 4, and then it is equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4. So then we will write the rate of disappearance of A, that is equal to minus delta A upon delta T, which is equal to delta B upon delta T divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter. Now in the next example, the decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide is expressed by the equation N2O5 decomposed into nitrogen dioxide plus half O2. And then we have, if during a certain time interval the rate of decomposition is given 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter means inverse, what will be the rates of formation of nitrogen dioxide and oxygen during the same time interval? Then we can write the rate expression for the decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide minus delta change in concentration of nitrogen pentoxide divided by delta T is equal to half delta NO2 upon delta T is equal to 2 into delta O upon delta T. Now we can write delta NO2 upon delta T is equal to 2 into delta N2O5 upon delta T is equal to 2 into 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter minute inverse. Time is given in minutes, so you write in minute. Now delta O2 upon delta T is equal to 1 upon 2 delta N2O5 upon delta T. Then it is equal to half of 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then it is equal to 0.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter per minute. Rate is always positive and minus N2 delta N2O5 upon delta T is taken with the positive. Now for the next example, for the reaction nitrogen and reaction of the nitrogen and hydrogen to form ammonia. If the rate of formation of ammonia is 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 mole per liter per second, what is the rate of delta H2 upon delta T? That is the disappearance of hydrogen. Now rate of reaction is equal to minus dN2 upon dt is equal to minus 1 upon 3 dH2 upon dt is equal to half of d ammonia upon dt. Now for the hydrogen, minus dH2 upon dt is equal to 3 by 2 into dNH3 upon dt, that is the rate of formation of ammonia. Then it is equal to 3 by 2 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. So the rate of disappearance of hydrogen will be equal to minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 4, because this is a reactant, and that's why the rate of disappearance of hydrogen will be negative. So your answer will be minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now children, you make one change. The rate of formation of ammonia is 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 in place of 4 into 10 to the power minus 8. So please you change it and do this correction. I did mistake here, so you can change it.